If you are currently not making over $1,000 per day online, here are 2 mistakes that you are most likely doing. First one, you are promoting products that are low ticket and are paying you anywhere from $10 to $30 per sale, and you would need truckload every single day to actually reach $1,000 per day. The second, you are not generating any sales because you don't know how to get started, you don't know how to get traffic, and you are not making any money at all. Well, don't worry, in today's video I'm going to fix both of these because I'm going to show you the easiest way for beginners to make over $1,000 per day in 2023, starting from complete scratch. You can see right here that today already I was able to make $982, and it's just beginning of the day. Yesterday I made $2,100. Last 7 days I made over $15,000, so over $2,000 per day on average. And pretty much last month, this was month of May, I made $42,000, and the last 30 days I made $35,000. So pretty much this is how it pretty much goes. And you can see that for the date I currently just 874 clicks, 9 sales, but I already made $900. And you can see that on this date I made $3,800. And in today's video I'm going to show you the easiest way to make $1,000 per day as a beginner, and the #1 hack you gotta do right away. If you're going to click on the first link in the video description. And also, before we get started, don't forget to please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. I would really appreciate that. But right now I want to show you exactly pretty much how I'm currently making $1,000 to $3,000 per day, and how literally any beginner can get started using this same exact system. Now you can see this is my Warrior Plus account, and to be completely honest, the offers that I'm currently promoting are a lot better priced than the ones that I was promoting before. Because if you go to Warrior Plus and you are just going to go to the marketplace section, you're going to see right here, these are the all best performing offers. Right here they are getting thousands of sales. You can see the conversion rate varies. It's pretty good actually for a majority of them, but once you're going to check out the average sale, you're going to notice that it's just like $42, $39, $44, $22, $9, $25, and on average it's around like $33 per sale. And to actually get over $1,000 per day, if you're going to do just a quick math, 1,000 divided by 33 is actually 30.3. You need to generate 30 sales every single day, and this is the problem why you are currently not making $1,000 per day. Even if you are generating some sales, you are most likely promoting products like these that are a lot cheaper priced, and it's kind of like really easy to get sales of these, but it's really hard to scale them, especially if you don't own these products, because you are leaving a lot of money on the table. But what I'm currently doing is I'm promoting higher ticket products that are paying me a lot more than $30 per sale on average. They are paying me hundreds of dollars, and that's how I'm able to actually get just few sales per day. For example, like 9 sales today, and make like $982 already. And you can see that on 26th of May I got 21 sales and I got $3,800. So this is the exact difference between making like few dollars per day or actually making a lot more than pretty much a couple $100s per day without any extra effort. Now, unfortunately, I cannot share you the exact offer that I'm currently promoting right here on this video, because a lot of people would just go and apply and the vendors would not be happy. But I'm going to show you another way on how to get easy access to these $1,000 products, these $1,000 commission products, and you don't even have to sell them yourself. This is very important because you don't have to do any of the selling yourself. This is what I'm going to be teaching you in the Incognito Money Masterclass as well. But pretty much I want to show you how to do this in a video, like a very simple way of doing this. So you simply just go to like Digistore24, which is an affiliate network where you can just promote other people's products. You're just going to sign up for an account, and then you pretty much want to go to the marketplace section. I have shown Digistore many times, so pretty much I think you already know how to get an account. Just click on the button and sign up. But what you want to do when you are going to go to the marketplace is you are going to see all these products. Now they are sorted by sales ranking. You can see it by sorted by sales ranking. I cannot speak for some reason. My throat has been aching for like 3 weeks already, and I'm not sure what is happening. So if I just sound a little bit weird, I'm just coughing a lot, or there's a lot of cuts in this video, I apologize in advance. I'm just a human as well. So yeah, for some reason, this illness is just not going away. So what you simply want to do right here is just click on sort by sales, and you want to sort it by either earnings per sale. This is going to get you high ticket products that are very high on the front end. So the main product is very expensive. You can also sort it by earnings per cart visitor, which is going to get you products that have a lot of upsells and that are going to pay you a lot more. These are really good products as well, because you're going to see that pretty much like the main product right here, the earnings are around $121, and pretty much the initial price, if I'm going to see it right here, I cannot see it actually. Some products have that, some products don't have that, but it pretty much means how much money you're going to make when the person actually clicks on the buy button. So they don't even have to make the purchase, but if they are going to click on the buy button, how many of them are likely to complete the purchase. Okay, now pretty much what I like to do, I like to just sort it by earnings per sale, because the card visitor, it's pretty much based on conversion rate as well. You just want to sort it by sale, and pretty much all these products that you're going to see right here, they are high ticket. Now most of them, if they are doing it correctly, you don't even have to sell them yourself. You don't have to do any selling whatsoever. And here's the cool part about them. You can just pick and choose which one you want to promote. For example, this is about some cryptocurrency, obviously, and it's going to be paying you $800 per sale, and the price average is $1,900. Then pretty much this one is called Freedom Accelerator. It's going to pay you $640. Cryptocurrency offer, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, a fellow YouTuber. Or this one right here, the Passive Income System 2.0 by Mr. Glinkoski, with over $15 million in online sales. But the cool part, as I said, is you don't even have to sell them yourself, because most of these, if they are doing it correctly, you just click on the sales page right here, and you're going to see that they are promoting it themselves using a free webinar, a free training, or some freebie, and not a buy button. Because if there's like a buy button in some products, and this product actually has it, but they also have a webinar page, but the main sales page goes to the checkout. If you have a product like this, you need to do the selling yourself, because this is just a checkout. You're not going to have any sales material right here. So what you want to do is choose a product that has this webinar type of landing page where people are going to sign up, and you're going to see that they are actually going to land on the webinar page where pretty much there's a free training for like 40, 50, sometimes 60 minutes, sometimes even 20 minutes, depending on the complexity of the system. And then there's pretty much an offer on to actually make the purchase of the high ticket program. And the thing is, you don't even have to sell that. You just send people to a free training that's going to show them some value. And this is the cool part. In order for the vendor to actually make a lot of sales, they need to provide free value. So you are literally just sending a free training that people can opt into, and you are getting paid for doing that. So this is the first change that you need to do in order to go from like making just small amount of sales, small amount of money per day by generating low ticket sales, to promoting high ticket products just by recommending a free training. Just make sure you're going to promote the higher ticket ones. You can find them on, for example, Digistore24. For example, this one is decent. I have better ones. If you want the better ones, then check out the 5-day Incognito Money Masterclass. But other than that, now that you have your free training product that's selling a high ticket program, you would need to get what I call Incognito selling system. Now, this is something that I'm going to show you in the next video. So make sure you're going to subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell, and watch out for the next video where I'm going to show you how to incognitely, is that even a word, sell these high ticket programs without you doing any of the work yourself. That's going to be happening in the next video. Meanwhile, go ahead and secure your ticket to the 5-day live masterclass by clicking on the first link in the video description. Get it for the early bird pricing. And also, if you have done that already, you can check out the next video that's going to show up right here, which is highly recommended by the YouTube algorithm right here. And after I'm going to show you the Incognito selling system, I'm going to show you the exact traffic source, how to get hundreds, even thousands of potential customers to your affiliate links so you can start making money even without showing your face or paying a cent for ads. Make sure to subscribe.